Hi guys, today we're going to cook meat in the oven by using the plastic bag. So how to cook this, I will teach you how. So please watch my tutorial and you will know how to cook this. So let's go. So the ingredients, we need potato, 1 lemon, 1 onion cut into wings, 3 pieces of garlic cut into small pieces, and of course we need a 1 kilo of meat. This is our meat. So the spices, we need half teaspoon mixed spice, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon meat spices, half teaspoon spara powder or coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon curry powder, and 1 spoon of salt. And of course we need a plastic bag for the oven. This one, the one I used before for my chicken. This you can use chicken, meat, fish, or vegetables. You can buy this cooking bag in the supermarket, or in Kuwait they called the supermarket Jamia. So we get 1 plastic bag and we will put our food and vegetables on it inside. So first we're going to squeeze the lemon. We put our meat in the big bowl, then put our spices, our potato, so that we're going to mix them all. And then our lemon, then the spices, together with the salt. Then we're going to mix them. So now we're going to mix them. We're going to mix with the meat. And then when you finish mix them, you put it in the plastic bag. So when you cook meat, it needs 1.5 hours. So the chicken only 1 hour, but now we're going to cook chicken, so we need 1.5 hours. So this is the plastic bag. We're going to open it and we put our meat inside. So like this, put then the vegetables, all the spices, and all the meat. So now all our meat is inside. So we're going to fry it with the pre-fried this one, and then we put it in the Pyrex. Then we put it inside to the oven. So that's it. Now it's ready to put in the oven. So we open the fire till 260, the high one. Then we put our meat inside. So after 1.5 hours, our meat is done. And it's ready to serve with white rice and sauce. Or you can use also salad. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos from my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Bye bye.